Okay, good morning students. See here, now we will see about patterns. Okay, patterns, how patterns will be like this and whole numbers. Okay, see here, first one is triangle, next 0, triangle, 0, triangle. Next, if you observe this pattern one by one, you are getting here, right? So, after this triangle, what you will get here? 0. After 0, next triangle. After that one, next again 0. Like that. You have to observe pattern and you have to write the remaining blanks here. Okay, that means remaining steps. Next here you have 1 0. In the next one, you are adding another 0. Okay, in the next one, you are adding another 0 to it. Right. Here also adding another 0. Here 3 you have. Here you are adding 1 0. So now you get here 4 zeros. Now adding another 0 to these 4 zeros. See, like that. So next, for the next next step, you have to get another 0 here. You have to add another 0 to these 5 zeros. See, like this. In the next step, you have to add one more 0, like this. Like this, you have to increase your steps by adding zeros, by observing this pattern, how many zeros they are adding here. That you have to observe here first. Like that, you have to follow the remaining steps. See this one, 1, 2, 3. Next, again repeating 1, 2, 3. So if you observe here, repeating. Numbers are repeating. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, repeating. So this must be 1. This must be 1. This must be 1. 1, 2, 3. The next also you will get 1, 2, 3. Like that. So these are the patterns. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Like that you have patterns will be like this. So if you arrange numbers, if you talk about numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can arrange these numbers by using dots. Okay. We can represent. So these numbers we can represent using dots. By using dots, if you see here, so first one number starts with 1 dot. So with 1 dot we can't do anything. We can line also simply. So 1 I am not taking. So starting with 2. 2 dots. See here. 2 dots. With 2 dots I can make a line. So in each and every number we can represent in different shapes. That too only you will get 4 shapes only. That is either line or either in triangle shape or either in square format, or you will get in rectangle. So all the numbers, whatever the number, big number or anything, whatever the number may be, that number you can write either in line format or triangle format or square format or rectangle format only. These 4 figures only you will get. Whatever the number you take, you will get one of these shapes here. See how? See, I am taking 2 dots. You are getting line. With 2 dots, you can't form triangle, you can't form square, you can't form rectangle. Okay, so these shapes you can't get with 2 dots. Okay, now come to this 3 with 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. So I can make a line here. Right. With 3 dots, triangle C. 1 dot, 2 dots. So I can form a triangle. With 3 dots, 3 dots can be formed in triangle shape. Right. So 3 dots can form square? No. 3 dots can form rectangle? No. Okay. So come to this 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So with 4 dots, I can make a line here. Right. So with 4 dots, I can write any triangle. It's any shape? No. There is no sequence. So this is not possible. So with 4 dots, I can make square here. Okay. So with 1 dot, basic one is 1 dot. So I am adding 3 dots. See, 3 dots I am adding here. Right. So that you can make one square. Okay. How many dots you have added here? 3 dots. If you observe here, starting dot is same for all the numbers, but remaining how many dots you have added here? 2 dots. Okay. So rectangle, you can't form a rectangle with 4 dots. Okay. Square means you will get length and breadth same. Rectangle, length and breadth are not same. Okay. So for that purpose you can't form with 4 numbers that rectangle. Now see 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with these 5 dots, I can make line. Okay, I can make line here. With these 5 dots, can I make triangle? 1, 2. No. Triangle fill away. Okay, so you can't form triangle here. So this is not possible. Here also this is not possible. So if you square means, so 1 you have added 2. With another 1 dot, either here or here, you can't complete this square. So this is also not possible. Whereas, come to this one. So this is also not filled. So this shape is not rectangle. So this is also not possible. With 5 also not possible. Now see 6th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with these 6 numbers I can form line here. See here 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3. With 1 dot, how many numbers I added here? 2 numbers, right? So 2 dots I have added here. Now see 2, 3. 6 means 3 dots. Now our triangle is completed here. So with 6 numbers I can form one triangle. With 6 dots I can form one triangle. With these 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 2. Is it form a square? This forms a square? No. Square means always 2 by 2 format or 3 by 3 format. That means length and breadth must be equal. So here it is not possible. So this is not. If we come to this rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See this one? I can form a rectangle here. So it is length and breadth are not same. That means this is rectangle. So with 6 numbers I can form rectangle. Okay. So this basic number, if you think that this one dot is base dot, so remaining how many dots you have added here? To complete one rectangle you have added 5 dots. Remaining 1 plus 5 here. Here 1 plus 2. Here 1 plus 5. Or 3 plus 2. Or 3 plus 3. So you have already formed here 3, right? 3 plus 3. Extra added 3 dots. Like that. Okay. See 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With 7 dots also I can form line. See with 7 dots can I form a triangle? 6, 7 not possible. So this is not possible. You observe here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 only. So this is also not completed with 7 dots. And if you observe here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 more dot. This is also rectangle also not formed by these 7 dots. So this is also. So see 8, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots also you can form line here. Okay. Observe this triangle. 1, 2, 6 already. So 7 means 8 means 1, 2. Not possible. Triangle. You can't form triangle with 8 dots. So come to this one. Okay. So with these dots, so already you have added here, right? If you complete this one, here you have to add one more dot. But with these 4 dots, you completed here 8 dots. So this is also 8 dots also will not form any square. Square also not possible with 8 dots. See here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Rectangle you can form here. Okay. Now observe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Line possible. So if you observe here, line can form with any number. See triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Another 2, 3. This time also not possible. So here you have to get one more dot to complete this triangle. So this is not possible. Up to here only 9 dots. So triangle you can't form with these 9 dots. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 2. Listen here. See? So this one. Remaining how many dots we have added here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already you have one basic dot plus 3. How much? How many? 4. So this 4. Already 4 formed. 4 plus how many dots you have added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is your 9. Right? So to form another rectangle, you have to take 5 more dots. So here you can form this square, not rectangle, square. See, with 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one more dot is extra here. So you can't form like this. So here rectangle not possible. Now see 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Line you can form. Now come to this one triangle. This triangle 1, 2, 3, 6 completed. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. So already you have completed 6. 6 plus. So up to here you have 6. Right. Another how many dots you have added here? 4 dots. 6 plus 4. That is 10. So you can form triangle here. Now come to this one. So with 4 dots you have again 1 dot. Not possible. So after that come to this one. 5 dots. 5 dots. You can form rectangle with so 1 plus 5 dots. So here 1 plus this 6 plus 2 dots. After that 8 plus 2 dots. You can form rectangle here. Like that, for each and every number, by using dots, we can form either line, either triangle, or either a square or rectangle. So these 4 shapes only you will get. Okay. You have to use only these 4 shapes. Okay. You can't write in any form, in any shape you can't get. Okay. So like that. You have to remember these patterns. If you take one more example, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am taking these 6 numbers. So is there any format here? Just format means plus 1 increasing here. Plus 1. So 1 plus 1, that's 2. So 2 plus 1, you will get 3. So 1 plus 1, 2. By after that taking 2, adding by 1. 2 plus 1, you will get 3. After that 3 plus 1 adding 3 plus 1 adding 4. You get 4. So so don't look at this one. See this one and write next two more steps here. So to the result you have to add plus 1. You will get 5. After that take that result 5 plus 1. You will get 6. So you are getting all these numbers, right? So whenever they given like this, you have to find out pattern first. After that, by finding pattern, you can extend few more steps. Okay. So in your class, now now problems will be like this. Okay, you have to extend all steps. Okay, by looking at this pattern here, what they have given. So leave it. So take this one. This is one pattern they have given. They ask you to extend few more lines. So take 2 lines you have to write based on this pattern. What is pattern here? 1 plus 1, 2. By taking this result 2, after that we have to add plus 1. You are getting 3. Again in the next step taking 3. Like that. 6 plus 1, 7. After that take this result 7 plus 1, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Like that. Okay. Like that you have to write few more steps. Take one more example. 1 into 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 into 2 plus 1 equal to 7. Okay, so I am taking plus 1. So 7. Okay, see. So what is here? What is our pattern here? Is there any pattern here? See, 1 into 2 plus 1. 1 into 2 means 2. Plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Again taking this result 3 into 2 plus 1 as it is into 2 plus 1. You are getting 7. Next time what I can take? 7 into 2. With 2 you can multiply plus 1. 7 into 2, 14 plus 1 equal to 15. Like that. This is one step. Next step. Okay. So next step. This result is here 15. 15 into with which number you have to multiply here? With 2. After that you have to add plus 1. 15 into 2, 30. Plus 1, you will get 31. If you want to write another step, take this 31. With which number you are multiplying here? With 2. Plus 1. 31 into 2, 62. Plus 1, 63. Like that you can extend your steps. Okay.